Hey guys, it's Jerry Middleman Battaglia. I'm out here in Wading River, New York, and just driving around some back roads, and I found these awesome Jeeps. So guys, I want you to check these out. I seen them from the road on the other side of the property. So I gotta check these out. See if they're for sale. I'm not sure whose property this is, but could be this guy's over here. There's some old Jeeps here. Last time they were inspected was 1978. It's pretty cool. American classic cars over here. Pretty awesome. Wow. Parked here since probably the 70s. Well guys, please like and share this video. I'm out here looking for more cars. Found a few things, but like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel, Jerry Middleman Battaglia. I'm always out there looking for cars to keep you guys entertained. Have a great day. Oh, I'm at 899 subscribers. One more, I'll be at 900. So let's try to get myself to 1,000. Please tell your friends about my channel. I'm always out there looking for classic cars. Have a great day.